Welcome to the Sean Show. I love beer, burritos, and babe. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's have fun now. It's gonna be a radical day. It's the Sean Show.
Hey guys, I'm on the beach with Julie.
Hi.
And we're on the beach right here. It's called Laguna Beach, everybody.
What are we going to do?
Do volleyball, eat, sleep, and read.
Okay.
You're gonna boogie board?
Yeah,
For that, yes.
that would be good for us to see you boogie board.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's head down to the stairs.
Let's go, Julie. I'm ready to have fun. Guys, I'm down eating my food, and Julie is in the holes, and I'm showing. And that's Julie eating.
Yes, it is.
That's Julie?
Yes.
How's your food? How's it?
Food in my mouth.
Okay, what's next?
Go in the ocean,
What are you going to do in the ocean?
swim, and boogie board.
All right,
Guys,
let's do it.
come on, show what we got Julie.
You got to remember, you got to put that around your ankle so you don't lose it.
Move. Let's hit it. Julie, are you ready to have fun?
Are you?
And ride.
Come on, baby. No.
Ride.
We're going to watch you boogie board. Look at those waves.
Go for it. Come on.
That's awesome.
That's beautiful. Don't be a wimp. Get in. What? Nah, you never cared that it was cold when you were younger. Don't be a wimp.
I
Sean, I have sand in my water shoes.
Come on. Play a feet in first.
It feels great.
Chest looks good.
It feels great to me.
Just look
My
good.
feet are in.
Look good.
Ooh, look at that beautiful wave. That would have been a great boogie boarding wave. Wow!
See?
No, I was just yelling because my pants got wet.
Quit recording me.
Too cold?
Seriously.
Okay, fine. You wanna?
Okay?
So you're gonna play volleyball instead?
Yeah.
It's not as cold.
Exactly.
My first time playing volleyball even without a net.
Exactly, Julie. How does it feel?
I guess I'm gonna find out.
Oh, yeah. But I'm soft like really big.
Oh yeah?
Like really big.
Okay. What does that mean?
I did it in Cancun.
Do you serve as big as your brag is?
Mama, I did this in Cancun.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter? Not like that.
Nope.
See?
That's okay. That just means good.
Yeah.
Rest my hand.
Okay.
Like this. Go up in the air. Hit it. Stop it. There you go. Step bottle.
I guess so. I got it over.
How do you miss? See that? Hold it, Julie.
Oh my gosh, it was in. It's Sean's point.
See, I told you.
Hey, Sean.
Hey guys, I'm here at a tide pool with Julie. Julie, where are we at?